Okay, let's be real. You're not watching this because you want to feel kinda better. You're watching this because you want to walk into school like the hallway is your runway, your aura is glowing, and your backpack is basically a Birkin. This is not a glow up for the weak. This is for the girls who want to be that girl mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. So grab your iced coffee, your journal, and let's get into it. Emergency pouch, the survival kit. Let's start with the emergency pouch. This is your I'm not getting caught slipping kit. You keep it in your backpack, and it saves you from 99% of school disasters. You want to be that girl? You need to be prepared like that girl. You need makeup remover wipes, not for makeup but for mystery stains, sweaty foreheads, and emergency cleanups. A mini deodorant stick is non-negotiable. Gym class doesn't care if you're wearing vanilla body spray. You need breath mints or gum because cafeteria food is not your friend when your crush sits next to you in third period. A tiny perfume roller or body mist is perfect for layering scent on the go. Hair ties, bobby pins, and a mini brush are your defense against humidity and chaos. Pain relievers and band-aids? Yes, because cramps don't care about your schedule and paper cuts are rude. Add a face mist or toner spray for a quick refresh between classes. Lip balm is essential, dry lips are not invited to this glow up. A Tide pen is your stain removal superhero. And a mini lotion keeps your hands, elbows, and knees smooth. This pouch is your secret weapon. You don't need to announce it, just let people wonder how you always look put together. Hygiene from head to toe. Let's talk hygiene, not the I showered today kind, the I smell like a luxury candle and my skin is glowing through my hoodie kind. Start with your hair. Wash it 2 to 3 times a week max. Overwashing dries it out and makes it frizzy. Use a scalp scrub once a month to remove buildup and boost circulation. Hair masks are your hydration bestie. Apply one to your ends, and let it sit while you do your skincare. Rinse with cold water to seal the cuticle and add shine. And yes, a silk pillowcase is worth it. Less frizz, less breakage, more princess energy. Now your face. Double cleanse at night. First with an oil or balm to remove makeup and sunscreen, then with a gentle foam or gel cleanser. Exfoliate 1 to 2 times a week with glycolic acid or AHA pads. Don't go crazy, just enough to remove dead skin. Hydrate immediately with a toner or essence, then lock it in with a lightweight moisturizer. An SPF every single day, no excuses, even if it's cloudy, even if you're inside. SPF is the difference between glowing and aging like a raisin. Oral care is next. Swap your toothbrush every month, floss daily, add a tongue scraper to your routine and thank me later. Rinse with mouthwash after brushing. Keep gum in your pouch for post-lunch emergencies. Garlic fries are not cute. Body care is where you level up. Exfoliate once a week with a sugar or salt scrub. Focus on elbows, knees, and feet. After your shower, pat your skin dry and apply lotion while damp. This locks in moisture and makes your skin feel like butter. Add a drop of body oil if you want to feel expensive. Use unscented deodorant if you're layering perfume. You don't want your armpits smelling like a chemical cocktail. Feet deserve love too. Use a pumice stone in the shower. Apply thick balm or oil and wear socks overnight. Wake up with baby feet. Pedicures aren't just for summer. Keep your toes cute year-round. Scent layering 101. Scent layering is the secret to smelling like you have your life together. Start with a subtly scented body wash. Follow with a matching lotion or body oil. Finish with perfume on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind your ears. Spray your hairbrush with perfume for a subtle hair scent. And don't mix vanilla with citrus unless you want to smell like a fruit salad. Find your signature combo and stick with it. People will start associating that scent with you. That's power. Mindset. The real glow up starts here. Now let's get into mindset, because you can have the best skincare routine and still feel like trash if your brain is bullying you. Stop saying, I can't. Start saying, I'm rich, I'm hot, I'm booked and busy. Even if you're broke and tired, your brain doesn't know the difference. It just follows the script you give it. So give it a better one. Create a mood board. Not just aesthetics goals, habits, dream grades, dream outfits, journal daily, dump your thoughts, hype yourself up, write your wins. Even if your win is, I didn't cry in math class today. That counts. Affirmations should slap. Say things like, I walk in rooms like I own the building. I attract good grades, good people, and good vibes. I am not for everyone, and that's a flex. Say it until you believe it, then say it louder. Protect your energy. Protecting your energy is not optional. It's survival. Unfollow people who make you feel like trash. If their content makes you feel insecure, it's not for you. Say no without explaining. No is a full sentence. Don't gossip, it's giving low vibration. Curate your playlist. If your music is sad, your mood will be too. Avoid energy vampires. If someone leaves you feeling tired, they're not your people. Visualize a bubble around you. Sounds weird, works like magic. Imagine a glowing shield that blocks negativity. You're not being dramatic, you're being smart. And stop oversharing. Not everyone deserves access to your inner world. Keep some things sacred. Mystery is magnetic. Confidence. The real flex. Confidence isn't loud, it's consistent. Walk like you're being filmed, shoulders back, chin up, speak slower. Fast talking equals nervous energy. Compliment others. Confident people don't compete. Try new things. Confidence grows when you do scary stuff and survive. Don't wait for validation. You're the main character, not the sidekick. Confidence also means showing up even when you don't feel 100%. It's brushing your hair, putting on lip gloss, and saying, I'm here even when you'd rather hide. That's strength. Style. Dress like you mean it. Style is not about trends, it's about identity. Start by picking 3 words that describe your vibe. Soft, edgy, clean, sporty, glam, chill. Use Pinterest to build a board that matches those words. Save outfits that make you feel something. Then recreate them with what you have. Try capsule pieces. An oversized blazer, cute sneakers, statement earrings, matching sets, layered necklaces, and a crossbody bag that fits your emergency pouch. These are your staples. If you're a soft girl, go for pastels, gloss, and dainty jewelry. Clean girl, slick bun, gold hoops, neutral tones. Edgy, leather jacket, chunky boots, bold liner. Sporty, zip-up hoodie, biker shorts, fresh kicks. Academic baddie, pleated skirt, button-up, loafers. Style is how you say, this is me, without speaking, so say it loud. Nutrition, wellness. Drink water like it's gossip. Green smoothie 3 times a week. Stretch before bed. Sleep 7 to 9 hours. No glow-up survives sleep deprivation. Move your body daily. Even if it's dancing in your room, your body is your home. Treat it like royalty. Eat foods that make you feel alive, not just full. Prioritize protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Your skin, mood, and energy will thank you. You made it to the end, which means you're serious about this glow-up. You're not just trying to look good, you're trying to feel unstoppable. So, pack your pouch, fix your posture, say your affirmations, and walk into school like you're the CEO of your own life, because you are. And if anyone asks how you did it, just say, I watched Velvet's Glow Up Guide, you should too.